Do you find yourself just going through the movement whenever you exercise? Do you wonder what you should be focusing on whenever you work out? I have the answer for you. In this video, I will share with you what you should be focusing on when you exercise and why it matters. Hi, I'm Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and I help people get pain-free, feel alive, and get back to doing what they love to do without pills and medication. When you're doing the exercise, and it doesn't matter what type of exercise, it can be as simple as doing isometrics or can be as advanced as doing heavy weightlifting. I don't want you to just be doing the movement or just going through the motion. I want you to focus on one thing to enhance the effectiveness of your workout. And this is to focus on the muscle contracting and the muscle relaxing. Because when you focus on the muscle contraction, your brain and your body are more engaged. And when your brain and your body are more engaged, you get more fiber recruitment, more effective muscle contraction. And not only that, if you're concentrating on the muscle contraction, your form is better as well. And the awesome part about this is you can apply this to any exercises from head to toe. Now you know what to focus on during your exercise to make it even more effective. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please share this with someone you love so you can help them make their workout more effective and not just be wasting their time. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and turn on your notification so that you can get alerted when our new video comes out each week on sharing more tips to get healthy and pain-free. For the meantime, go watch the next video.